Welcome to this video about protector U-joint covers. Our motto is simple: keep grease in, keep junk out. Our agenda covers why truck fleets should cover U-joints, technical aspects, installation, and details on Driveshaft and slip-yoke-mounted kits, including their contents. The first reason to use a cover is to keep grease off the truck. Greasable U-joints are superior, but they are messy and can damage components like air dryers and ABS valves. Excess grease buildup is also prohibited by regulation. Second, we keep grease off roadways. Grease deposits from commercial truck universal joints contribute to non-point source pollution, running into waterways when emulsified by rainwater. The third reason is to keep junk out. Debris entanglement is common in vocational fleets. Lightweight materials commonly in landfills can wrap up in U-joints, displacing components, like the carrier bearing shown here. Rocks and other debris can cause premature wear and failure in various working environments. Moving to technical aspects, the covers do not affect driveline balance. Both halves are made in the same mold, mount pads are radially equidistant, and the assembled unit weighs less than 2 pounds. The mount pads are made from specially engineered thermoplastic polyethylene. This TPE is chemical and oil resistant, operates from -60 to +200 degrees Fahrenheit, and resists compression set with a stiction additive to grip the driveline. Fasteners include zinc-plated, hex head, cap screws, and stainless steel half-hex nut inserts. Bimetal construction resists thread galling, and the zinc plating and stainless steel resist rust and corrosion. The cover shells are 30% glass-reinforced polypropylene. They are highly impact-resistant, impervious to chemicals, oil, and grease, and maintain high-dimensional stability across different conditions. Driveshaft-mounted kits are identified by the D suffix. Part number selection depends on the U-joint series measurement, either under or over 7 inches across, and the driveshaft diameter. Multi-fit kits cover a range of diameters. Single-fit kits are available at lower cost and include mount pads for just one specific diameter. Slip-yoke-mounted kits are identified by the S suffix. Kit number selection is based on determining the U-joint series, either under or over 7 inches across. Installation involves measuring the driveline diameter, selecting matching pads, installing fasteners, attaching mount pads, positioning the two halves, and tightening the cover. We offer 3 main kit types: driveshaft mount multi-fit, driveshaft mount single-fit, and slip-yoke mount kits. Accessories include fasteners and grease port plugs, mounting pads, and a handy 4mm stainless hex drive for use in drill motors. Thank you for viewing this video. For more information, please contact High Quality Truck Parts at the provided email address.